Good evening, guys. It's me again. This video is going to be showing how all these different sets of chime rods sound. First, we're going to start with these Stations Bim Bam rods here. These are from a 1936 clock. I don't have it here with me, so it's just the rods. But here we go. Very nice. I like those. Now we're going to do the Waterbury Bim Bam rods. Let me make sure I get them started right. Here we go. Next on to some Sir Thomas Westminster chime rods from a 1940 Art Deco style mantel clock. Here we go. And as you can clearly tell, the hour struck rod is the same length of the lowest note of the Westminster chime. That's all that would fit in that case. And now, on to these. These are 4 chime rods out of a set of triple chime rods. So here we go with this. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know which set sounds the best to you. Catch you later. Bye-bye.